Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to your remote learning day. Today is Wednesday, September 16th. I have everything laid out for you. This is the main page. You're going to come to Mrs. Eckert's second grade. And remember, when you get to Power School, you're going to see that over on the side. So we used to go to Super Second Grade, but now that we have a remote teacher, you're going to come to my page, Mrs. Eckert's second grade. And it's going to come up like this, and that's when you should have pushed remote learning days. And here you are. So it says, welcome to your virtual learning day. Below this tab, you will find your activities. So when you click on Wednesday, September 16th, that's where you're going to find all of your activities for the day. Okay, so on the main area, you've got your morning work, Seesaw link. Here's the link for your Zoom meeting. And here are my office hours. So this is when you can call me or Zoom with me individually to ask questions. And then you have each subject area. In the morning, we have math and science. And then in the afternoon, you have phonics, ELA, and then PE. So in PE, I have linked I've linked Mr. Kern's page, so you can go see what you need to do for PE. So you'll start here where you're going to Zoom with me and click the link for your morning work. Then you'll go over to math. So on math, you have a couple lessons to watch. Over here is your to-do list. So you're going to watch video lessons. Then you're going to do the seesaw activities. Then you have lesson 9 worksheets, math review, and then Go Math workbook. Then Dreambox. So that's your to-do list, and all that is linked right here. So if you click the links, you'll go right to the assignment. And then once you hop over to science, you will see that there's a little song about the life cycle of a pumpkin, a quick little song to kind of sing in your head. And then here's your link to your seesaw activity. All seesaw activities have directions within them. So you'll see a video in the assignment for how to do it. Phonics, you just have a welcome video quickly explaining your directions. And then here's all the seesaw links for your phonics. So you've got spelling practice and OU word search and word work with AM, AN, and ALL. So that's after lunch. This page, you will not see it until after lunch. So when you first log on, all you'll see is math and science. After our afternoon Zoom, then phonics, ELA, and PE will become available to you. So don't panic if you're not seeing it after this welcome video. So like I said, phonics, there's your welcome video, assignments, ELA. I have the whole lesson in a video for you where we're going to talk about a few things and read a story. Here's your link to your assignment. It's just one assignment about Tia Isa. And then you'll have PE. Well, you will click on Mr. Kearns' page and see what he has for you. So remember, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I have my contact information right here on the main second grade info page. So right here is all my contact information if you need any help at all. So feel free to call me, reach out to me, and I know that we'll make this a great day.